In this tutorial, I'm going to let you know the ways to use Aldi Talk SIM card. So in order to use Aldi Talk SIM card, you just have to follow the simple steps. So what you need to do is basically to activate the Aldi mobile service online. First of all, you need to click the activate link. You could also do this from the website. The website link is aldimobile.com.au/blogs, getting started and setting up your service. Here you could go and press this activate button and you could just directly begin with the activation process. Now while activating your service, you'll be required to provide ID information. So you need to ensure the details you use to activate your service match in your detail that appears on your ID. And if you get stuck, you can also call the customer service at a toll-free number mentioned here. And if you have requested a new mobile number, your service will normally be activated in 30 minutes. Then however, this can sometimes take long as well. So this is basically how you can use Aldi Talk SIM card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.